Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump using a keyboard. The most common key for jumping across many games is the spacebar. This fundamental action allows your character to overcome obstacles and reach new areas. It's crucial to understand that jump mechanics, like height and distance, can differ significantly between games. Start by practicing simple, single jumps to get a feel for the timing and responsiveness in your chosen game. Once you've mastered the basics, explore advanced techniques. Many games feature double jumps, allowing you to press the jump key a second time midair for an additional boost, often reaching up to twice the height. Wall jumps are also common. Simply press the jump key when adjacent to a wall to propel yourself upwards. Combining jumps with running or crouching can open up new movement possibilities and strategies. If the default spacebar isn't comfortable, you can usually customize your jump key. Navigate to your game settings, typically found under Controls or Keybinds. Find the jump action in the list and click to reassign it. You might prefer a key like W for a more ergonomic feel, or perhaps Alt for thumb access. Experiment to find what works best for your playstyle and hand position. Consistent practice is key to mastering keyboard jumping. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes in a training area, focusing on different jump types and obstacle courses. Apply these techniques in actual gameplay, whether it's navigating complex platforming sections or evading enemies. Remember, each game might have slightly different physics, so always be prepared to adapt your timing and approach to new environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.